This is the heart monitor case only, that is compatible with the AliveCor Kardia Mobile ECG EKG 6L. It comes in 12 colors, and I have the black one right here. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. Arrived totally safe, packed up, wrapped in plastic as you would expect. It is 4.5 inches long, 2.25 inches wide, and about 1.5 inches thick. It's a faux leather, and we've got a smooth zipper on here. Opens up real nice. You can see there's a carabiner that comes with it, and when you open up the case for the first time, the carabiner's stuffed down here under this elastic. I use the ballpoint pen to open the hole up there. Pro tip. On this side, there's a pocket with a small plastic case inside of here that you can use for an extra battery, pills, whatever you want to do. Not use it at all, it's up to you. On this side where you store your device, the material is bubbled up to add some extra shock absorption to it, and there's an elastic band right here for extra protection. Case itself overall feels pretty sturdy. And just to give you a size comparison of this, here it is compared to my cell phone. So there you go, a sturdy, compact heart monitor case for the Kardia Mobile EKG to help you safely transport or store your device. Very nice.